Hey guys, my name is Tanisha and I am a beauty, fashion, and lifestyle vlogger over on YouTube. Today we're going to be testing out Revlon's ColorStay foundation. I recently went to Napa over the past weekend and I thought it was the perfect trip to test out this foundation. I know with wearing masks and being safe, it is really stressful to also wear makeup. I'm always worried about my makeup transferring on my mask and it getting really messy and dirty. This foundation is supposed to be amazing for wearing underneath a mask. We're going to test it out in this video, see if it lasts all day, see if it is really mask friendly, and we're gonna get into it. So if you guys are interested, then just keep on watching. I am in Napa this weekend. I'm so excited. I decided to come outside and do my makeup just because, first of all, the lighting is so good. I feel like it is the best thing that you can do for your makeup is to do it in natural lighting, just because you can actually see what it's gonna look like. Just doing some makeup. I kind of want to do like light natural makeup, kind of like my go-to, nothing that is too different from what I normally do. I'm gonna be trying out some new makeup. I'm so excited to say that this video is actually in collaboration with Revlon. I have been using Revlon products ever since I was like, I don't know, like 12, 13. Like, they were one of my favorite drugstore brands. They still are. They made the Photo Ready foundation, which was one of my favorites, but this one I'm really excited about. It is the ColorStay foundation, and I have it in two shades, 510 Pecan and 600 Cinnamon. I really wanted to test them out because they are supposed to be iconic foundations, really good for wearing underneath a mask. So I'm gonna be going obviously to the winery wearing my mask, being safe, and I wanna see if this can stand up to the test. It's supposed to last all day, super great for oily skin, and it gives like a nice matte finish, but I'm gonna use some of their setting sprays also and some other Revlon products to really get a little bit of a glow, but still keep me nice and matte and not too oily. So first I'm gonna start off with 510 Pecan. That's what it looks like. I'm gonna put this on like a little sponge, and I just have my little mirror out here, and I'm just gonna, I think this shade will actually be perfect for me. Yeah, it's kind of like the perfect shade. It kind of just like melts in, evens out my skin tone, and gives me like a good base. And I love using liquid foundations with a sponge just because I feel like you can really control the product and really just kind of like blend it out how you want. Oh, it looks so good in the natural light. It just looks like my real skin. I don't want to go too heavy, but I do want to cover. All right, so far what I can say about this foundation, I think it's the perfect amount of buildable, but still feeling like really breathable. I really like a full coverage foundation. You guys know this. I either do my makeup, I go all out or nothing. So I really want to cover, and I have pesky like hyperpigmentation left over that I always like to apply a little bit more foundation on those areas just to really make sure that they're covered and not peeking out. And I've gone in and probably applied maybe like 2 to 3 layers. I know that sounds like a lot, but they're really thin. And it doesn't feel like this is too cakey or it's like too much foundation on. It kind of just like sinks into the skin and completely goes away, which I really like. I like that my own skin is able to like peek through. Like, it doesn't look like I have too much like thick cakey foundation on it. It looks really good. So I am really impressed by that. Just feels like really nice. Love that. Okay, I'm gonna keep you guys updated throughout the rest of the day on the foundation, how it wears underneath my mask, and I'm gonna do the rest of my makeup, and then I'll show you guys the finished look. Not many people I can say that I trust. Always been like this, don't give away that much, but somehow I gave it all to you. Storm with anxiety. Once you came into the equation, I became the best kind of me. Won't you we are about to go.
Turn on the news the other day. Some stuff happened, I'm afraid to say. They tell me that I'm wasting time. Tell me something I don't know. You left fingerprints across my mind. I try covering them, but they still show. If I had a choice, whether or not I'm letting you go, putting you down, you know I would, but still I miss.
Alright guys, good morning. It is the next day. I was so tired yesterday. So I came in, off my makeup. My makeup looked so good. I filmed like a little clip after I came back home last night of just my makeup after, what, like 8 hours? 6, 7 hours? Around there. And it looked really good still. My mask, usually whenever I wear like other foundations and other makeup, my makeup completely comes off on the mask and it's just like nasty and I have to bring like 3 masks, but I literally wore that one mask all day and my makeup barely came off. It was honestly really surprising because like I said, with like liquid foundations and other foundations, my makeup always comes off, but I was really surprised at how it just like really set. So I highly recommend that foundation.
I've been faded, we've been hesitating. Spinning, can't shake it, so why don't we just make it?
And there you have it. I am so pleasantly surprised by this foundation. Like I said, it's so hard for me to find really good foundations that last all day, don't transfer, and look good at the end of the day. Those 3 things are really hard, and this one checked all of those boxes. So this is definitely gonna be my new go-to foundation whenever I need to wear a mask and be safe, but also want to have a little face beat. Make sure you guys check out Revlon's ColorStay foundation. Make sure it's your new go-to for all of your mask wearing needs. It's a really good foundation that I think you guys are really gonna love. So I hope you guys enjoyed and I will catch you later.